Holy mama. Dude, that was stuck on my foot. Woo!
So, y'all guys think? No, I'm just playing.
Oh, what is up, everybody? Oh, Outdoor More here. So we're gonna be going to do scuba diving. So basically, I got this new device I'm gonna try out. I'm excited about it, guys. I think you're gonna like it. This is gonna help me with my underwater adventures and find more stuff. So I purchased this Nemo right here. This is a device that helps you breathe underwater. I just got to set it up, get it on, and I can go underwater and test it out. So I set this device up. This device basically pumps air into a hose that comes to me, and I breathe in, and it pumps. So I'm gonna go under, and I'm gonna see what I can find. Pretty deep. Oh yeah, it works. My first treasure of the day.
Look at it. Hot,
Roxanne. That's crazy, right?
I'll take it.
Oh man, my gloves. Are my black gloves over there, baby? Dude, It's a giant fish trap. Dude, it's got treasure in it. That's crazy.
There's hooks all in it.
Huh? Oh yeah. I already found that thing right there.
You wouldn't want to sell it, would you? I could use it right now to catch some
Sell it 100 million,
$100 million.
No, I got more.
I just can't believe I found it.
That's cool, man.
That's the second one I found here. Oh man. Yeah.
Woo! Huh? Look, Roxanne, I found a phone.
Do not throw it.
Oh man, does it work?
It's an LG. Does it work?
Hey Max, I found a phone.
Golly. Does it roll, guys? Turn on. Let's see if it will go. Maybe we can repair that. I'll try.
Oh, it's not working. It's completely gone.
It's gone. I mean, we can always break it. No, I gotta take a picture though.
Okay guys. I didn't get it on camera. But this is the net that we found. I just pulled this up on the deep river. Oh my god. You want the net? No? Wait, there's the second one.
You're kidding.
Here you go. Oh, Tristan, this thing's heavy, dude. You're gonna have to try to come get it. I just pulled that up from the river, guys. Oh my god.
You know what happened of it? Is it really?
Yeah, my friend put the line because it got stuck, and then he got it stuck. 'cause
There you go. No problem. That's the second item we gave him. So happy. Steven, this thing is awesome.
For Dwayne.
Okay, so basically I got this thing right here. We found the phone. We found some other stuff, but the kids took it. So I think what I'm gonna do is head off and so try somewhere else. Okay guys, I'm gonna try over here. We tried over there. We found the phone. We found the net. We found some other stuff. Over here is where I've been wanting to go. And I want to see if I can find a lot. I can stay underwater longer.
Oh, thought that was a snake. I think I gotta. Holy mama. Dude, that was stuck on my foot. Dude, I'm on my flippers back. Yeah. Holy mama, that's scary. Oh, I almost just hooked myself. Man, this is old, right? Huh?
Steven. What is you? So let me give you a full rundown of what really happened. Okay, so I found the two nets, and I found the two nets. The two nets I gave to the guy. The guy really looked interested in them. He wanted them, so I gave him the net. The phone, however, is a Samsung phone. I got it right here. So it's like a Samsung. I don't know if you can see it or not. I checked the memory of it. There is no memory in it. It's like dripping. This thing is old. It's not usable at all. Found some really great treasure. Believe it or not, that's my first phone ever. But I guess that's it for this video. I tried the extra location. I didn't find nothing really good. But guys, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Y'all hit the notifications and please share my videos. Follow me on my adventures. You never know what I'm gonna find next.